of saying thank you, God. And you know what? You see, Nigerians, me, I understand, and sometimes I just laugh. Okay, so we posted, the adverts for this program, and bloggers actually cut the part off where it says it's going to be a show. They cut off that part, and they're pushing the wedding narrative. And I'm like, okay, here we go again. But it's actually end of the year party. And as you can see, we have all various kind of people, far and near, all walks of life here, jubilating, celebrating, kickstarting the dirty December in a huge way.
Okay. So are there any projects you're working on?
Of course, yes. On becoming Laide Bakare, Make Millions in 6 months is finally out. Just launched in London, and we are working on the Nigerian official launch, which will be coming up very soon. I want you all to pick a copy of On Becoming Laide Bakare, Make Millions in 6 months. You will never regret it. We are in a world of so much noise, and sometimes you can be blocked. Your eyes, your face, your mentality can be blocked if you don't go through the right channel. So, On Becoming Laide Bakare is an eye-opener to a lot of, and it actually talks a lot about me, my life, the beginning, the present, the future. It's a lot to learn from. Most especially the Gen Zs. You really need to learn from us. We've been there.
Okay, talking about the Gen Zs, Owambe parties, what's the significance? What do you think is the significance for Owambe parties?
Yeah, the Owambe party is actually to target, people like that. The Gen Zs, they are like, when it comes to Owambe, they are like, hell no. But if you give it the class, if you give it what they want, speak to their minds, in a very serene environment, good food, good music, they will be encouraged to like, oh my God. So they don't get carried away with Western culture, civilization, and Western mentality. So this is a way to say, we are here, we are representing, we are promoting our culture, because Owambe has always been part of us. We are Yorubas. Like, no party like Lagos party. This is where it's happening.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Ní Yorùbá, nǹkan tí a ṣe lọ́jọ́ sí. Ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́, a dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run from January to December. Àwa Yorùbá la ni ó wà ń bẹ̀, iṣẹ́ wa ni, àṣà wa ni, kò dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ parun. Àwọn ọmọ tó dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wa, kọ́ máa lọ get carried away wípé àfi táwọn bá ti wà ní club, táwọn bá ti lọ ṣe dorí mẹ́rin kọ̀ọ̀kan, ibẹ̀ kọ́ nìkan láti ṣe fàájì. A properly organized ó wà ń bẹ̀, is the best place to be. And no party like Lagos party. And here we are today, celebrating who we are. Our culture, it's been part of us. We can't take it away. No matter what anybody says, this is what makes us happy. This is how we unwind. Because in most cases, when you go abroad in the Western world, they love cocktail, they love some sort of beach. They love it, that is their way. But Nigeria way, Yoruba way, is Owambe. Kashedi balabala. Ṣe rí àwọn oníròyìn, Ọlọ́run máa gbà wá lọ́wọ́ yín. Nígbà tí à ń promote show yìí, a ṣe fídíò fún. Fídíò tá a ṣe fún, a sọ wípé a fẹ́ ṣe Owambe kí àwọn èèyàn túyàyà kan jáde wá. Àmọ́ nígbà tí àwọn bloggers ti máa gbé, wọ́n cut off party advert yẹn kúrò ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n wá join, wọ́n kàn lo èyí tí kò sí advert níbẹ̀. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní push narrative yẹn. Ẹ̀yin blogger ẹ burú o. Nínú advert ni, advert promote show yìí ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, kò sí kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Bọ̀ láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà, ẹ ó jẹ àjẹyó. Ẹ ó tún dì lálẹ́ lọ́jọ́ wedding mi o. Ẹ ó jẹ àjẹyó. Ẹ tún gbé takeaway lọ. Ẹ ó tún dì lálẹ́.
There is something that makes me come into your presence. My G, solo, 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 spendo yo. My G, I'm a day my G, solo, 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 spendo yo. My G, I'm a day my G, I'm a day my G, Because now when we're just gonna say, no disconnect, and the guys keep forget. If you talk you collect, because now when we're just gonna, no disconnect, and the guys keep forget. Shorty, everybody say, yo, 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 ziggy, yo, ziggy, yo, 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 yo. Everybody say, oh, disgusting. When my city goes and one side I like it, no stopping. Go shopping, fuck that. Here we go. Say. That's the life of the city boy. Here we go now.